Welcome back to the second part on basics of pharma selling. Some tips and techniques to enhance your clinic effectiveness. In the first part, we talked about for any effectiveness to happen, the sales rep needs to be able to differentiate himself in front of the customer because there are too many medical reps meeting the customer. There are three areas where any sales training focuses on, that is pre-call, call and post-call. During this series, we are going to focus on the call. And we looked at that the call has got three dimensions, that is opening, body and close of the call. And by and large, a sales rep faces three situations when he goes down to sell a product to the customer. Brand conversion, molecule conversion, or he's trying to enhance prescriptions. In this part, we are going to look at what a medical rep needs to do when he faces a situation where he wants to convert the customer from an existing brand to his brand. So when he is entering a brand conversion situation, if he goes around doing the conventional 5% of the time on opening, 90% of the time doing a can detailing or standard detailing, and 5% of the time asking for prescriptions, it won't work. In this kind of situation, we need to understand how and why does a customer write a brand. From the time that I've joined the industry since the 90s, multiple surveys across in India and abroad, they went and asked the customer how is he loyal to a particular brand. Most of these studies went on to show that the number one reason why a customer prescribes a particular brand is because of the man behind the product. If he is writing a particular brand and you want to convert him from that brand to your brand, he needs to like you. In a situation where you are trying to do a brand conversion, it is important that you sell yourself. Now, in a typical call, if you look at opening, body and closing of the call, the opening of the call is the place, it's the platform, it's the time where you are basically trying to sell yourself. If you become too brief on opening your call and go across and directly start selling, you are going to find it immensely difficult to be able to do brand conversion. So when you are trying to convert a brand, you need to spend more time, 60% of your time in opening the call. There can be a little less amount of time that you spend in closing of the call. Most medical reps spend very little time. They go across detailing and giving some features of the brand and then asking for prescriptions. They'll find it very difficult to convert the person or convert the doctor from one brand to another brand. So in the opening of the call is the space, is the time where you are going to be able to establish that rapport, sell yourself. It's the time where you can basically get closer to the customer. Because the number one reason a customer prescribes a particular brand is because he is the man behind the product. So the approach needs to change considerably. When you are into a molecule conversion situation, the knowledge that comes handy or very important is knowledge about the customer. The more you know micro details about the customer, your ability to then be able to make some talk with him, talk to him, take in some time to help you establish that rapport and sell yourself will come into play. So knowledge about your customer is very, very critical. Go down into micro details of finding out about your customer, you will be able to build a better connect and there are better chances that you will like him. Follow my series on zones of selling and you will understand what it takes to be in that when you're in a public zone, what happens and how you can charm the customer. The second aspect is, let's look at the skill sets. What are the skills that are required? Our ability to be able to greet the customer well, our ability to charm the customer, our ability to stroke the customer, say something nice, capture his attention. This skill set is something that is going to play a very important role. So your ability to have good interpersonal skills, your ability to be able to build a good relationship, stroke the customer is a skill set that becomes very, very important. The approach that you'll have when you are trying to do a brand conversion would be that of charming the customer, making him like you, making him take notice of you, your ability to differentiate from the customer. The objectives of the call would be to sell yourself. And if you have to offer something, a personalized gift to the customer is something that becomes a good call strategy to be able to make the relationship with the customer moving. This is a place where I feel most of us can use local language. Your second language plays an important role. It's not important that you speak very good English or something like that. If you can follow the local mannerisms and the style and use the local language to reach out to your customer, you will be able to do good. So when you are trying to do a brand conversion situation, remember these things. Knowledge about the customer is important. Skill sets, interpersonal skills is important. Objective is about going and selling yourself. Your approach is going to be to charm the person, take make the customer take notice of you, and finally offer him some personal gifts. If you are able to do this and you are able to spend 60% of the time doing your opening of the call, and then 20% of the time talking about the brand, 20% we will spend on closing the call, you would be more effective than the conventional 595 formula while you're selling. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. God bless.